Hi everyone, I'm Rene Oswald. Thank you for joining me today. And I'm going to be showing you how to make ginger juice today. I know you all have bought ginger before and you didn't get to use it before it went bad in your refrigerator. That used to happen to me all the time. So I would freeze it and then I would use it that way. But I found an even easier way to use your ginger is just to blend it in the Vitamix and then squeeze it through your juice bag and freeze it. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's really fast and easy to do this. And if you're using organic ginger, you don't have to peel it. Just cut it, just chop it up a little, stick it in the Vitamix. If it is, look at that beautiful ginger. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's so yellow and it's so full and it's so heavy. So you know it's full of good juice. Just check it out to make sure it's all good as you're cutting it. Make sure there's no bad spots, and this is really good ginger. Don't see any bad spots. Just throw it all in there. I like to get enough to fill the blender about halfway full, and then just start her up. And you take your juice bag, stick it in a jar. This. Move this over here a little bit so you can see it. And it's real pulpy. See, it's all broken down. Let's put that in your jar. Very moist, so there's a lot of juice in there. Squeeze it. This is just a cotton juice bag, and I use these to make all my juices in the Vitamix. It only takes a few minutes to squeeze out the juice. Pour it into your ice cube trays. You can use this, leave this in your refrigerator. It just lasts longer if you pour it into ice cube trays and freeze it. And then you can pop them out into a Ziploc bag. And here are the ice cubes of ginger. Change color a little. And just pop them out, and that's what they look like as they freeze. The pulp goes, it's not really pulp, it's just a part of the ginger juice goes to the bottom. And you can put those in your Ziploc bags. For more videos like this one, check out our website or go to our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.